This is Bhavya from Total Tech, and today we'll be looking at the live classes module of our ERP system. So previously we had also looked at the Zoom live classes module, but now we'll be looking at this live classes module over here. So the key difference between both of them is that the previous option, the Zoom live classes module, is integrated with the Zoom application, whereas this live classes option is integrated with Google. So the schools or institutions who wish to use Google Meet, Google Calendar, etc. for setting up their meetings or live classes, they can use this particular option. So the submodules, etc. are the same. So firstly, we have live class configuration, where we get to edit the settings such as the API key, API secret, and along with Google Calendar, whether you wish to use it or not. So in order to schedule any meetings or etc., you might require the Google Calendar. So it depends upon the institution whether they want to enable it or disable it. Plus, if the parent live class option should be disabled or enabled, that also depends on the institution whether you want to allow it or not. And after setting up your preference, you can save it. Next, we have live classes. So all of the live classes that have happened, the records will be visible over here, such as the class from whom the class had been conducted, a brief description. For example, it could be the subject name or the topic name for which the class was conducted, the date and time, the duration of the class, and other details such as created by, created for. So here you could mention the staff member's name or the teacher's name who has created the meeting link. Then there could be the class, the status, etc. And you also get the option to sign in here with Google. So this option would only work once you have already completed your security verification and authentication process, which you already talked about in the previous video. So it ensures that only the authorized personas can access the module. Similarly, next we have live meeting, wherein if there are any other meetings that are being conducted apart from the students, maybe it could be with any clients, etc., or anybody else, then all of the records regarding that will be visible over here, such as the meeting title, description, date, time, duration, and status, etc. So over here you can see either the meetings that have already happened or the ones that are upcoming. So all of these will be visible over here. And similarly, we have live class and live meeting report. So if you wish to see the details or the history of the classes that have been conducted for a specific class, you can just enter the classes section, click on the search button, and if the data is available, you'll be able to see what all classes have been conducted for this particular class, including all of the details such as the date, time, the topic, the duration, etc. So all of the history will be visible over here. Lastly, we similarly have the live meeting report, wherein all of the meetings that have happened with any other group of people, etc., then the record regarding that will be visible over here, such as the title of the meetings that have happened, description, date, time, and most importantly, the total join as to how many participants were a part of that particular meeting.